Yeah? Can you start at the beginning? There's the tracks.
Red, blue, red, and blue.
Very good.
No, the fire trucks, Mama.
You did find the tracks.
Missy's crazy.
She's crazy. Can you read it from the beginning? I want to hear the whole story again. Go to the front. The very, very front. Oh, back here. This, yeah, start over there. Who's that? Are you done reading? Okay. Are you reading to your friends? Look at that. Oh, cool. What book is this?
That's Thomas.
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 Who's that?
That's you.
Hero? Wow.
What's that?
I don't remember who that is. Is that Hero?
No, that's
Stanley?
That's Stanley.
He can, yeah, let's say he's Stanley. I don't know.
He followed track.
He fell off the track.
And that's in them. And that is...
What happened? Are they racing?
Isn't... What's that asset?
Who is that?
What's that asset?
I don't know. Turn the page. Let's see if we find more people.
That's T-Ornan.
Oh, look at, there's a crane. Cool.
Oh, friends.
All the friends.
And I got this one too. And another one.
Okay. Ooh, that's a good one.
Oh, friend's tail, lion's tail, crab, and we saw a tread.
Good job.
It's rough eye cradle and lion's tail.
Which is that? A crocodile and a zebra and a giraffe?
And it is.
Can you read it to us?
Mail go.
Where did the mail go?
Mail
I don't know.
go. Mail go.
I think we left it downstairs.